Here are 20 of the best superfoods for weight loss, all backed by science. Superfood is a word often used for nutrients rich ingredients that confer major health benefits. Kale is a leaf green vegetables that's well known for its health promoting properties. It is a great source of antioxidants and several key nutrients including manganese and vitamin C and vitamin 1 2. Number 2 is berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries and blackberries are vibrant, flavorful and highly nutritious. For example, blueberries are rich in fiber and vitamin C and K. They can also help satisfy your sweet tooth while providing fewer calories for many other high sugar snacks or desserts. Berries work well in smooth or as topping for yogurt or oatmeal. They also make an excellent snack either on their own or combined with other fruit in a fruit salad. Number 3, broccoli. Broccoli is a nutrient-dense, supported and excellent addition to a health weight loss diet. In particular, broccoli is a great source of fiber and macronutrients such as vitamin C, folate, potassium and magnesium. Number 4 is chia seeds. Chia seeds are loaded with important nutrients including omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, magnesium, manganese. Chia seeds are also high in protein, which can help reduce hunger, regulate your appetite. Try sprinkling chia seeds over your favorite smoothies, yogurt, or oat bowl to enhance the flavor and texture. Number 5 is eggs. Eggs are versatile, delicious and simple to prepare. It is easy to see why they are one of the best superfoods of the weight loss. In fact, eggs are packed with a variety of essential vitamins and minerals each serving, including selenium, vitamin B12, riboflavins, and phosphorus. Additionally, eggs are brimming with protein which can help promote feeling of fullness to boost weight loss. Number 6, avocado. Avocado are popular for their unique taste and texture as well as their impressive nutrition profile. In particular, avocado high in potassium, folates and vitamin C and K14. Although avocado are considered as a calories-dense food, they are loaded with fiber and heart healthy unsaturated fat, which can keep you feeling full between meals to help you lose weight. Number 7, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are vibrant, delicious, and nutritious and superfood. They are loaded with antioxidants along with vitamin A, C, manganese, and vitamin B. What more, sweet potatoes are high in fiber, which can slow stomach emptying, boost both weight loss and fat loss. You can. Number 8, kimchi and sauerkraut. Kimchi is common ingredients is Korean cuisines. It typically consists of salted fermented vegetables like cabbage and radish. Sauerkraut is the European version of the dish, also typically made with fermented cabbage. Like other fermented foods, kimchi and sauerkraut are great source of probiotics. There are a type of benefit bacteria also found in your gut and they support several aspects of health. Number 9, bell pepper. Also sometimes referred to as sweet peppers. Bell pepper are highly nutritious veggie available in a variety of colors. They are rich in fiber and boost an array of other important nutrients including vitamin C, vitamin B6 and potassium. Number 10, chickpeas. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are a type of legume closely related to other type of beans, including kidney beans, black beans, and pinto beans. Chickpeas are also high in fiber and protein, which can slow digestion, regulate your appetites, and promote weight loss. Number 11. Apple. Apple are not only one of the most popular fruits on the planet, but also one of the most nutritious. Apple are chock full of antioxidants plus essential macronutrients like vitamin C and potassium. They also contain a specific type of soluble fiber called a pectin, which animal study has shown may also help reduce food intake and increase weight loss. Number 12. Spinach. Spinach is a popular leafy green vegetable originally from ancient Persia. It is low in calories and high in fiber, vitamin C and A, and iron. What more, spinach contains thyroids, which are type of plant compound that may delay fat digestion and reduce hunger and craving. Number 13. Walnuts. Walnuts are type of tree nut known for containing many healthy nutrients. Along with being rich omega-3 fatty acids, walnut contain a concentrated amount of vitamin E, folate, and copper. Number 14. Oats. Oats are whole grain food and beloved breakfast staple. Their scientific name is Avena steva. They are good source of fiber, manganese, and phosphorus, copper, and protein. Number 15. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are tangy, flavorful, support food, and excellent addition to a well-rounded weight loss diet. Tomatoes are also jam-packed with antioxidants as well as vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and K and potassium. Number 16. Green tea. Green tea is a potent source of digest fighting polyphenols and antioxidants. In particular, green tea is rich in antioxidants like quercetin, chlorinic acid, and progeins. It also high in epigallocathin, an antioxidant that may help increase weight loss. Number 17. Salmon. Salmon is a type of fatty fish notable for its impressive nutritional profile. Salmon not only contain a good amount of healthy omega-3 fatty acid rich serving, but also high amount of B vitamin, selenium, and potassium. Number 18. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is a popular citrus fruit that's known for its distinct flavor, which can be sour, slightly sweet, and little bitter. Each serve of grapefruits contain a good amount of the fiber and vitamin A and C that can need you each day. Number 19. Yogurt. Yogurt is a dairy product that's high in calcium, vitamin B12, potassium, and riboflavins. Some yogurt varieties, including Greek yogurt, are especially high in protein, which could be beneficial for you. Number 20. Quinoa. Quinoa is a whole grain superfood that has gained popularity in recent years. In addition, its rich protein and fiber contains quinoa contain plenty of manganese. Thank you for watching. Like, please subscribe and click bell icon in order to